This is 12 About Town today, sponsored by CoStar Group.
Welcome back. I'm here joined with Bruce Cruiser, the Executive Director of Mental Health Virginia, and they are getting ready for their upcoming dinner and art auction show. So tell us more about this event.
Yes, thanks. Well, we celebrate some of the victories in mental health. There's so much wrong. We hear so much about the pain and the misery and the struggles that people are having with mental health, but we try to celebrate the victories. So once a year, we have what we call Victory for Mental Health, and we give an advocacy award. And so this is going to happen next week, and we also have a recovery art auction, which goes along with this event, and that is showing art that is created by people as part of their mental health recovery, or the creative process helps them stay well and mentally healthy. And so that's going on now, and that's a way to feature the work of the artist as well, and the proceeds are split between the artist and Mental Health Virginia.
And you just mentioned that that auction is open now, so where can people start bidding on those items and see those items?
Well, they can go to our website, and I think that it may show up out here on the screen.
Yeah, right there.
But there is, the link will take you to the event site, which tells you more about the event, but also specifically to the auction items, so people can see the different artwork. We have paintings, there's some sculpture, there's a quilt, a crazy quilt. So there's some fun things that people can look at and bid on, and know that if they do win, that it will be benefiting a good cause.
And what is that, who is benefiting that cause? Where are the proceeds going to for that?
Well, one of the services that we provide is called a Pure Run Warm Line, and that's free. It's not a hotline, not a crisis line, but it's for anything else. It's to help keep people out of crisis. And so it's free. People can call from anywhere in Virginia. It's anonymous. And the idea is that you can talk about any of those concerns that are bothering you, and you're speaking to someone who's had their own lived experience with a mental health challenge. It's called a peer, so you're getting peer support. It's not therapy, it's just listening, non-judgmental peer support. And so it helps us pay for the staffing of that warm line, because there are many calls now we can't get to because we don't have enough staff to answer the phone. So you can text, chat, or call and talk to somebody, and then this helps us reach more people with that service.
And can you talk to us a little bit about Mental Health Virginia as well too? What services do you all provide?
Yeah. Well, in addition to the warm line for mental health peer support, we have recovery education, webinars, and retreats. We have and we do a lot of advocacy work, working with our partners to bring about more improvement to our state's mental health system. So we want to get more funding, so there's more of a continuum of services in the community, so people don't have to wait for a crisis in order to get help, and don't have to go to the hospital, because we're reaching folks before that. So we do a lot of work around public awareness and breaking the stigma around mental health, so people understand if mental health is part of everyone's overall health. And the more we realize that, then the sooner that we have a problem with our mental health, we talk about it. We feel comfortable telling people about it, and then the sooner we're likely to get the help we need to stay well.
Alrighty. All right, well, thank you so much for joining us here today. All that information about this event is right there on your screen, and we'll be right back coming up after the break.